To Celia by Ben Jonson. LibriVox.org. Drink to me only with thine eyes, and I will pledge with mine. Or leave a kiss but in the cup, and I'll not look for wine. The thirst that from the soul doth rise doth ask a drink divine. But might I of Jove's nectar sup, I would not change for thine. I sent thee late a rosy wreath, not so much honoring thee, as giving it a hope that there it could not withered be. But thou thereon didst only breathe, and sent'st it back to me. Since when it grows and smells, I swear, not of itself, but thee. End of poem. This recording is in the public domain.